Assalamu alaikum class. How are you students? Students, this is our science period. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about birds. Students, do you know anything about birds? Who will tell me class what are birds? Students, you must have seen different types of birds. But do you know the names of those birds? No, right? So in this lesson we are going to learn information about birds and their names. Students, so let's start. What is bird? A bird is an animal. A bird is an animal with feathers, wings and beak. What is bird? A bird is an animal with feathers, wings and beak. Students, do you know what are the uses of feathers? Feathers are used to cover the body. Feathers are used to cover the body. Students, what are the uses of wings? Wings are used to fly. Wings are used to fly. Okay, students, what is the uses of beak? Beak is used to eat food. Beak is used to eat food. Students, now let's learn few birds with their names. Which bird is this class? Do you know which bird is this? This is a sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are very small in size. Sparrows are very small in size. Sparrow is also called a singing bird. Okay students, do you know which bird is this? Do you know class which bird is this? This is a parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color. Students, do you know? Parrot is a pet animal. Parrot is a pet animal. Okay, students, can you guess which bird is this? This is a crow. This is a crow. Students, this is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow is a clever animal. Students, do you know which bird is this? Come on, try. Okay, students, this is a peacock. This is a peacock. Students, do you know peacock has huge colorful feathers like fan. Peacock loves to dance. Students, this is a peacock. This is a crow. Students, do you know which bird is this? This is a ostrich. This is a ostrich. Ostrich is the one of tallest and heaviest bird on this earth. Okay students, what are birds? Birds are flying animals. Birds are flying animals. They have wings to fly. They have wings to fly. Example, sparrow, parrot, crow. Now we will watch the video related to this topic.
Parrot, eagle, duck.
What is this class? This is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. Duck is a bird. Now students, learn this question and write on your notebook. Allah Hafiz.